How to sell on Zeffy for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to start selling on Zeffy. The first thing you want to do once you're on Zeffy.com, you're going to tap on sign up, and you can sign up using your email address. Keep in mind it is completely free to use. Once you're signed up, you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select campaigns. Then you can tap on new campaign and you're going to select online store. After selecting online store, from here, we're going to tap on create shop campaign. And you can give your shop a name. Then you'll tap on next. And you can also add in a quick description, but I'm going to skip that for now. Then you can select the color scheme that you would like to use. So you can see different options right there you can choose from. And then I'll select next. From here you can upload your banner. So you can upload an image banner or a video banner by tapping on replace from file. Then we'll select next. And you can upload your logo by selecting upload logo. After doing that, it is now time to add pictures of the image. After doing that, it is now time to add mock-up images. So you can simply tap on upload image. And we're going to be adding a mock-up. Let's say we'll be selling t-shirts. And I'll just select save. And you can add more images. Then from there, you can add in the title. Then after doing that, you can also add in a description. And you can set the price that you'd like to sell the t-shirts for. And you can add numerous products by tapping on add another item. You could add more items. If you would like to add more pictures, you can tap on the plus right here and you'll be able to add more mock-up images. Once you're finished, you'll select next. Do you want to collect info from the buyer? So for example, what size and so on. You could tap on add a question per item. And you can choose single select, multiple select, whichever one of these options. Then you can type in your question and the different choices. So I'll leave this as is. And we're just going to tap on next. And if you like to collect additional donations, you can do that by toggling this on. And you'll select next. And do you want to request additional information from your buyer? For example, their first, last name, email address, and so on. We're going to select add a question for buyer. And from there, if you like to add any additional questions, you can also do that. So for example, we leave it as how did you hear about us? Or if you like to add, for example, multiple select or a checkbox or any one of these options, you can do that. Then we'll tap on next once more. And you can also create a discount code. And we're going to tap on skip for now. And this will be the email that they'll receive once they have completed their purchase. So if you like to edit this email template, you can do that now. Once you're finished, you'll select next. After doing that, we'll be redirected to this page. And we're just going to tap on next once more. And you can see that it has now been created. To share it, you'll select share my campaign. And you have three options. You can either copy the link and you could share it. You can share it via QR code, or you can also choose to embed it on your website. If I were to paste in the link right here, you can see how it looks. So you can see it right there. Now, once you have completed the addition of the product to your store, you're going to tap on link your bank account. And you'll need to fill in your bank details. So you can do that right there. And you'll be able to accept payments via Stripe. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.